The anticipation for DJI's Mini 5 Pro is growing stronger. A trusted ex-leaker, Hakasushi, has doubled down on the rumor originally shared by DroneXL's Jasper Ellens, confirming that DJI's next-generation compact drone is scheduled for a September 2025 launch. DJI Mini 5 Pro release gets credibility boost. Renowned DJI expert Jasper Ellens first hinted at a late summer or September 2025 release, sparking excitement among drone enthusiasts.
Hello all, Dan from DroneBlog.com
Now, Hakasushi has backed this claim, stating, I have received reliable info that it's indeed scheduled for September. This confirmation adds weight to the expected release window, fitting perfectly into DJI's typical 2-year refresh cycle. If true, the Mini 5 Pro will arrive exactly 2 years after the Mini 4 Pro, bringing major performance enhancements. DJI Mini 5 Pro spotted in China leaked again. Excitement reached new heights when the DJI Mini 5 Pro was spotted in the wild on the streets of China. The leaks fuel speculation about what's coming next, as real-world sightings often indicate an imminent release. What to expect from the DJI Mini 5 Pro? While official specs remain a mystery, leaks suggest game-changing features, including white heavy checkmark sub, 249-gram lightweight build, staying FAA exempt for recreational users, white heavy checkmark upgraded 1-inch camera sensor for superior low-light performance, white heavy checkmark LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance, a first for ultralight drones, white heavy checkmark extended flight time of up to 50 minutes versus Mini 4 Pro's 34 minutes, white heavy checkmark a massive 25-kilometer range with vertical shooting options. If these rumors hold true, the Mini 5 Pro could become the ultimate tool for travel-friendly aerial photography. What this means for the industry and users. DJI's September 2025 launch strategy positions the Mini 5 Pro as a dominant force in compact drones, especially against competitors like Auto Robotics' Evo Nano series. With the launch falling close to the holiday season, industry analysts predict a 10 to 15% increase in drone accessory sales, including batteries, prop guards, and storage solutions. DJI's decision to maintain the sub-249-gram build ensures that the Mini 5 Pro complies with drone-friendly laws in the US, EU, and other major markets. However, FAA remote ID rules, now fully enforced, will still be a factor for pilots to consider. DroneXL's verdict. At DroneXL, we're excited to see Hakasushi validate Jasper Ellens' Mini 5 Pro rumor, making the launch feel more certain than ever. As Hakasushi cleverly teased, fly your Mini for a lot this summer, you won't keep it when you learn more about Mini 5 Pro.